my friends! I'm Kathleen Hansen, and you found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. I recently got one of these vocal trainers by Better Voice. This is not a paid video, but there is an affiliate discount link below for you. This is a follow-along vocal warm-up and exercise video. I will use this. You can also do these exercises with a straw if you'd like an alternative. Let's jump right in. Take a moment to put yourself in an aligned posture and take a few natural, slow, low breaths. I'm going to start with this right in the middle on a moderate resistance setting. Think about singing the sound ooh and not letting any air leak out of the sides. Let's try. Well done. If at any time you start to feel a little bit dizzy, you might want to double check and make sure you're not over breathing and take a little break. This needs to be comfortable and you need to be safe. Feel free to adjust the resistance as you go. I actually just put mine on a little bit of a firmer setting for this next one. We're going to sing the following pattern. Give that a try. I really like to do a lot of extra vocal glides with this, so let's do one more that will bring us a little bit higher. I'm going to try turning the resistance down a little bit, so this one will be a little bit more open. For this one, let's try. Give it a try. Great, let's move on to some different note patterns. We're just going to sing on a simple pentascale up and down like this. Nicely done. Now, if this feels like a little bit of an extra workout, more than you're used to, do take a little bit of extra time in between to relax. Feel free to hit pause, get a drink of water, then jump back in. Now we're going to move in and out of using the vocal trainer. The goal here is to memorize the sensation of singing with it and keep that sensation when we are singing without it. We're going to work with those same 5 notes now, but we're going to alternate singing with the device with singing an ooh. It's going to look and sound like this. Great job. Hey, real quick, did you know that I have published a vocal warm-up app for singers called Vocal Warmups with Kathleen? It is available for all platforms. It's super easy to use. It's got hundreds of individual warm-ups with over 60 specialized playlists. The links are down below. You can also find it on the App Store or the Google Play Store by searching its name, Vocal Warmups with Kathleen. I hope you'll check it out. Now I've moved this vocal trainer back to the moderate resistance, and I'm going to move now into a Triad arpeggio. For this exercise, I'm going to use this intermittently. Sometimes I'll sing with it, and sometimes I'll sing without it. I'd recommend you do the same. It doesn't have to be exactly the same pattern that I'm using. When I'm not singing into this, I'm going to go ahead and use an E vowel. So we'll do, here we go. I do find that my voice feels stronger and more open and more quickly when I'm using this. Let's just do a few more patterns here. We can try. We'll do each key twice. So if you want to do one with an occlusion and one with sound, we can sing on neo, like then we'll go to the next key. Let's give it a try. done. So what we just did is something you can do while you're practicing your music. Try a phrase with the trainer and then without it. I'm going to end today with a full octave arpeggio. I'm going to go ahead and stay in the trainer, but feel free to open up to an ah or your favorite phrase. We can try the following pattern. Here we go. Great job. Let's slide down from top to bottom to relax. Thank you so much for singing with me today. I do appreciate your likes and your comments and your subscriptions. I do also hope that you'll check out my app, linked below. Keep singing. I'll see you next time.